Hey guys, welcome to Farm Alarm. Today, I love you.
Oh, I love you too.
Today, I love you.
I love you.
Today, I love you.
I love you too. Stay tuned. Hey guys, welcome to Farm Alarm. My name's Tracy. Tagging along with me today is my 3-year-old son, Henry Levi. And today, doing a special collab video with Heidi over at Rain Country Homestead. So Heidi makes handmade skirts. Had to look behind me because this is a surprise. I ordered a surprise skirt for my wife because I love her. You know, that's what it boils down to, because I love her. And you know, she doesn't really buy a whole lot for herself. Look at that. He knows that the fence is hot, so he stopped right before he got it. Did you know that I love mommy?
And do you know a sheep-haired lamb is shedding off his winter coat?
He's shedding his winter coat off. Yes, he is. Okay, listen though. I love mommy so much, and because I married her and she's my one flesh. Did you know that? So she's gonna be really surprised because I had asked her about, you know, do you like Heidi's skirts? And she's like, yeah, they're pretty cool. So anyway, let's go check it out. You want to give a fist bump to the camera? So you are a hard worker, and you're my wife and the mother of our child, and I just wanted to let you know how much I love you. And so Henry and I got with a special person, another YouTube channel, and we're doing a collaboration video, and we had them make something very special for you that I know that you will like.
I can't wait to see what it is. I'm so excited. I love packages and surprises.
She was.
Okay, hold on. What is it? Let's see. Whoa, look at that. How cool is that? Thanks, guys. It's super summery. Thank you.
So I really encourage you guys to go over to Heidi's channel and watch her actually make this skirt for Ashley.
Let's see. It says Rain Country All Natural Soap Pansy Wintergreen Yarrow. Let's see. This is key lime pie. It's chapstick, organic beeswax, coconut oil, and essential oils. And it smells like key lime pie. I love this skirt. It's so fun.
So I'm glad you like your skirt.
Thank you. I do. I like it. It's fun.
I can't wait to see Heidi's video. She said it's one of the best videos she's ever made, so I'm sure it is. She puts out some pretty good content over there at Rain Country Homestead.
And she makes all kinds of stuff too. As you see, she sent us some soap and some lip balm. So be sure to check those videos out too, because I'm sure she would love to have you at her channel. And maybe you can even find something you might want to get from her. Absolutely. And those skirts she makes, she puts them on her Etsy store. They're gone within a few days. So yeah, anyway, go check out at Heidi at Rain Country Homestead on Etsy. And yeah, I love you. Love you too.
Thanks for being a hard-working mama.
Well, thanks for being my husband.
You're welcome. We'll see you guys on the next video. Again, I want to give a big thank you to Heidi over at Rain Country Homestead. You guys be sure to go over to her channel and check out this skirt in the making that she made for Ashley. Thanks a lot, guys, and we'll see you later.